Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to install the 73995 pressure switch in a 73994 and 73994-BYP heater. Before we get started, let's go over the parts you will need. Parts you will need: 73994 or 73994-BYP heater, pipe thread sealant, and the 73995 pressure switch. Attention! You do not need to drain the spa to replace the pressure switch. Disconnect power from the spa and cover the control box with a towel to prevent the circuit board from getting wet. After removing the old pressure switch, immediately cover the hole with your finger until you have installed the new 73995 pressure switch. Step 1. Apply the pipe thread sealant to the threads of the pressure switch. Step 2. Thread the pressure switch clockwise into the heater until it is tight, but do not over-tighten. Step 3. Plug the black and red wire into the terminals on the pressure switch. It does not matter which terminals the red and black wires connect to. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.